My name's Steve Leavesley, I run Beyond Content. We're a UK-based production company in Chelsea, London, and what we wanted to do to really test the Nikon Z II and the Atomos Ninja and ProRes RAW as a codec is get a classic 1963 E-type Jaguar. It's looking beautiful with the chrome work, the leather and all the detail that this car has. It's a great test of just how well ProRes RAW as a format and the Nikon cameras can resolve that detail.
So to really put ProRes RAW in the Z6 II and Ninja 5 through their paces, we've decided to use locations where you've not got a lot of light. So it's low light situations, and we're demanding the cameras capture lots of detail with low amounts of noise. So this is really pushing the camera to see how far we can go with ProRes RAW and shooting in conditions that normally you wouldn't want to be shooting in. And seeing the shots we're able to get with this setup on the back of the monitor, I've just been blown away with the quality. For me, I shoot ProRes RAW because it just gives you that depth to your image, and it means that when we're shooting with other cameras we can create a unified grade. It gives me the flexibility to really push those grades as well, really extract as much colour and as much depth out of shots as possible.
So in addition to our cinema cameras, we've found that over the years we've gradually been using the Nikon cameras where it's much more practical, where the situation dictates a smaller camera, a smaller crew, or a more flexible approach to filming. And this is where the Nikon cameras have come on leaps and bounds. And then when Atomos unlocked ProRes RAW, it meant that my cameramen could really push the detail and not compromise regardless of the cameras that they were shooting on.